Namaste students, I am JVN Dr. Aziz Mohammad Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the lectin pathway. So in the previous video we have discussed about classical pathway and alternate pathway. Lectin pathway is also a pathway which is complement activation and it is not dependent on the antibodies and it is independent of antibodies, and lectins binding pathway is dependent on lectins. What are the lectins? Lectins are proteins which bind to carbohydrate targets, which is present in the microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi. So these lectins will bind to any pathogen and it will recognize the microorganism. So this pathway is directly dependent on the lectin, and mannose binding lectin is the first binding lectin, and and it is activated by mannose binding lectin, and this mannose binding lectin will bind to mannose residues on the microbes. So this MBL will identify the mannose residue in bacteria, fungi, and then it will identify the bacteria and it will interact to the mannose residues. This mannose residue is similar to C1Q, which was found in the classical pathway. So we do not need C1Q in lectin pathway. On the place of the C1Qs, MBL is in place in lectin pathway. So in the lectin pathway, there are two components, MSP1 and MSP2. These are the proteins which are known as the mannose binding lectin, which bind to the mannose binding protein. They are known as the MBL associated serine proteases. So the first step is binding of mannose binding lectin to mannose residues on the surface of microbes, and to the MBL bound to the microbe. MBL associated serine protease will bind, and MSP will 1 will and MSP2 is similar in the structure of C1S and C1R. So this is the first step. We will describe it one by one. First, MBL complex will bind to the microbial surface. So this is the microbial surface, okay, and MBL complex, that is our immune, that is in our body. It will bind to the microbial surface and it will identify it and it will bind to it. So this is the MSP1 and MSP2 complex. So the complex start binding, and then a specific complex, that is protease MSP2, will act as convertase. Here, after binding, MSP2 will come and it will cleave C4. It will cleave C4 into C4A and C4B. So C4A will be move out and C4B will bind to surface of the bacteria. Here it has been bound to the surface of the bacteria. After that, MSP2 will cleave the C2. It will cleave C2. This after cleaving C2, C2 will be converted into C2A and C2B. The C2B will move out and C2A will bind to the C4B. And after binding to C4B and C2A, this complex is known as the C3 convertase. This complex is known as the C3 convertase. After binding, it will take C3 and it will convert the C3 into C3A and C3B, which will take the pathway into the classical pathway. So all the things which happen in the classical pathway will take place after coming to the C3. After binding to the C3 complex, C3 convertase will convert the C5 convertase, and C5 convertase will take C5. After that, C6 will come bind to this complex. After that, C6 and C7 will bind to this complex. After that, C7, C8 and C9 bind and make a hole onto the surface of the bacteria. This will result in the killing of the bacteria. So by this pathway, lectin pathway, we can conclude that first the MSP2 will come and it will bind to the C4. MSP binding protein will bind to the surface of the bacteria, and MSP2 will cleave the C4 into C4A and C4B. The C4B will bind to the surface of the bacteria, and after that it will recruit, MSP2 will recruit C2 and it will cleave it into C2A and C2B. C2A will bind to the surface of the C4B and will make a complex that is known as the C3 convertase, which will recruit C3. After that, C3 will recruit C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, and after completion of this complex, uh, the classical pathway will take place and it will cleave the bacteria, it will kill the bacteria by making pores in the surface of the bacteria. So, our lecture is over here. Thank you very much.